This question is A and B are in partnership sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 5:3. And the last line tells us, give journal entries and also calculate future profit sharing ratio of the partners. Working notes, old ratio of A is to B is equal to 5:3. C's new share is equal to 1 upon 5. A's new share, that is 5 upon 8 minus 1 upon 10, that is equal to LCM 80. 10 5 is 50 minus 8, that is equal to 42 by 80. Then B's new share, that is equal to 3 upon 8 minus 1 upon 10, that is equal to LCM 80. 10 3 is 30 minus 8 is equal to 22 by 80. C's new share is equal to 1 upon 10 plus 1 upon 10 is equal to LCM 10, that is 1 plus 1, 2 upon 10 multiplied by 8 upon 8, that is equal to 16 by 80. Then the new ratio of A is to B is to C is equal to 42 is to 22 is to 16, that is equal to 21 is to 11 is to 8. Sacrificing ratio is equal to old ratio minus new ratio. A's sacrifice is equal to 5 upon 8 minus 21 upon 40, that is equal to LCM 40. 25 minus 21, that is equal to 40. B's sacrifice, that is equal to 3 upon 8 minus 11 upon 40 is equal to LCM 40. 15 minus 11 is equal to 4 upon 40. Therefore, the sacrificing ratio of A is to B is equal to 4 is to 4, that is equal to 1 is to 1. Then fair notes, journal entries, date, particulars, ledger folio, debit with rupee symbol and credit with rupee symbol. There will be, the first entry will be cash account debited to C's capital account and to premium for goodwill account. Being capital and premium for goodwill in cash from the new partner C. Here, the new partner is bringing in capital, rupees 40,000 in capital, and the necessary amount of goodwill which is valued at 60,000. 60,000 is the goodwill of the firm, and 1/5 share is 12,000 which she has to pay into the business. That is, hence, cash account debited the total amount received from the new partner C, that is rupees 52,000, and C will be paying rupees 40,000 and a premium for goodwill will be rupees 12,000. Being capital and premium for goodwill received in cash from the new partner C. Now, this premium money will be transferred to A and B in sacrificing ratio. That is, premium for goodwill account debited rupees 12,000 to A's capital account rupees 6,000 to B's capital account rupees 6,000, being premium money received from new partner transferred to old partner's capital accounts in sacrificing ratio, and the totaling of debit and credit columns will be rupees 64,000 each, both debit and credit columns.